Placing the underbelly. Should have to come to you a little bit on that back side.
You ain't got to do it.
I'm not sitting down quite in the hole.
You got to push it for me.
Hold on. Got you, buddy. There we go. I'm in. I'm in good. Yes, sir. Oh, you got to go up a little bit for your 1x4, right?
Yep.
So it's I put it down too far.
No, you good? You good? I'm in.
You're in?
I'm in.
That is so nice. Look at that. And that's how you tie it together on the bottom. So if you have one that has the type like this is the way you're gonna re-underpin it.
Yeah. We ain't done yet.
No. We just take them 1x4s, ripping them in half. We're starting on the bottom. We'll put a strip here, and a strip there, and then we'll come up top. We're gonna come up, huh?
You done yet?
Yeah. After you put your pieces on across the bottom for the next piece.
Join them together.
For the next piece now to join them together. And you can spin them, right? Like you said.
Yep.
You just will spin it out of the way and then pull it back over to get it back out.
Yep.
And of course, we'll screw that together too. All right, going up. I'm cutting another one, 79 inches.
Need 2 of them whiteboards.
2 more whiteboards, 79?
Yeah, put them down here.
Huh?
Put them on top.
Whiteboards?
Yeah, them white ones.
Let's see what we got going on out here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's nice.
Mm-hmm.
That can be trimmed off anyway. Yep. You know what I mean?
Yep.
Anything that hangs out. Yep. New underbelly, right from the bottom. Got to get ready to skirting. Probably have to get rid of this trim channel that goes down through there. This piece here.
You got lucky, you got replaced it anyway.
Measure. What's that? Is that 220 wire?
Yep.
Measure your piece, stick it up in there. Put a piece in the front, put a piece in the back. Right up against the floor joist. Look at that. That is super sweet, Paul. Ain't that better than trying to leave that other crap in there?
My stud?
Yeah.
Can't see my scratch more. Yeah, okay.
Right there. Yeah. You got it, brother. Nice. Looking good, man. Looking good. It's to the left a little bit, according to your scratch. Or back of the house, whatever you want to call it. Might be a little too far. Maybe I need to get inside, huh? See what that is.
Yeah, right?
I decided, since there wasn't any in the middle, really might as well get rid of that outside too. Put some new underbelly. And if your mobile home is made like this one, you can use this for underbelly. And Paul has 3/4 inch strips. He's putting one on the inside, one down the middle, one on the outside, proper. Right, Paul?
No, one outside. One outside.
Right there.
One inside.
Inside, okay.
Yeah, that's all I need.
Gee, that's awesome.
Yeah, because it's done 4 foot.
We're gonna watch this one. We're gonna watch this one happen. Mark some so he knows where his floor joists are. Pre-cut his pieces to whatever he needed them to be. Wire. Look at that. Look at that. Very nice. New underbelly.